This morning I had a waking dream. It was nearly 5:30, and my apartment was a little too warm, the way it gets in the transition hours between night and day. Before it was different. Images flashing, no sound or definable movements. But this time is real. You're at this bus station, and the sky is a deep gray with sepia tones, and the wind has picked up and then hushed down several times, and still there is no real movements, no trees swaying, no dirt swirling about. You pick up a shoebox. It is filled with photographs, black and white photographs, wedding pictures, sisters in a canoe, two women playing golf, pictures, someone else's pictures, someone else's life, and memories are being sold here. Then suddenly, the mass of people who are around all stop, and all is silent, and you begin to hear the cries, the moans, the longing of all these people, trying, with their soul, with all they have, to make a mark on the world, not to be forgotten in this megalomania, this place that sells generic clothes and prosthetic happiness, and the loudness and in the chaos you sit up and scream, "I am a human being, God damn it. My life has value."